US30 and US100 both traded bullish yesterday and now at critical resistance zone at 31,500 and 11,440 zone. Yes, these are going to be critical resistance zone. I had already mentioned it several times. 11,400 500 is going to be crucial for NASDAQ 100. Beyond that, certainly we can see it flying high. Very strong moves can be seen beyond 11,500. At the same time, US30 has traded above 31,500, in fact gone close to 31,600 levels. Let's see how and what can be expected today, which position you should take in order to profit. Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we'll look into NASDAQ 100, followed with Dow Jones. And yes, do press the bell icon. The next update will be up before the US cash sessions will do. Was that also? And missing on to subscribe is missing on the profits to do. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we'll look into US100, followed with US30. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Now look at the hourly charts for US100. You can find out trading above the 20 period moving average. Yet at the same time, look at the highs there. Lower highs are seen. Hence it is the zone of consolidation. Yes, if you see it trading above 11,460, you can buy there, and above 11,460 certainly more bullishness will be seen. I will expect it to break past 11,500 then, and beyond 500 certainly it is going to remain bullish beyond. Now on the downside, you can sell at 11,400 next candle. Whenever you see it trading below 11,400, you can expect that we are looking forward to 11,350 and below levels. This time 11,350 should be a good support. 11,350, 300, 250, 200 are the good support levels for US100. Trading below 200, we can see a very good drop. And before we move on, let's see the directional movement is bullish. Stochastic has cooled down to comfortable levels. The MACD divergent and bearish. Be careful there. On the hourly charts, it is still bearish. It is not yet crossed over. Hence, it can reverse again. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, taking the support. Now look at this. Previous 3 candles, lower highs are seen. Hence, only bullish confirmation is if it trades beyond 11,460. You can buy there and expect it to rise more. Look at the 4 candles. See the highs and the lows, couple of breakouts, but largely getting the support here at 11,420. You can sell there at 11,400. Then you can expect it to drop more. So in between 460 and 400, do not trade. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic looking downwards from the overbought levels. The MACD is in green. Now look, it is trying to curve. Possibly the curvature may bring it down. Hence wait for it to cross over for a sell entry. RSI trading flat with a moderately bullish bias. Likewise on the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, the story is a little bit different. Lower highs are seen definitely. Yes, which makes 11,450, 460 to be a good resistance, and higher lows are seen. Hence, you can sell below 11,400, expect it to drop. Above 11,460, you can buy. Again, this 60 points, do not trade. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic overbought here. You can find out the stochastic is overbought. The MACD is bullish here, trading with little divergence. RSI trading flat near to the highs. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, yes, 2 red candle, and now again it is trying to give you another bullish candle. So it is trying to resume the upward move. Yes, you can buy there at 11,460. You can expect it to rise more. Till the time it trades below 11,460, do not trade. And yes, below 11,400 certainly it is good to go short. 11,350, 300 should be a good resistance, and below that we may see again a downward move. So what it is trying to do, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen, retracement, and then again if it tries to drop 11,200, more definitely a very good support. I have maintained this yesterday also. I am maintaining this again today. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is overbought. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent and bullish. Probably it must converge crossover for a sell. Let's see if it does so. RSI trading at the highs. Everywhere the indications are same. Now look at the daily charts. Lower highs very clearly. And yes, it is trying to create steps. It is trying to consolidate. Once it draws below 11,400, certainly you can confirm that it is trying to show you bearishness. Then it can continue with the downward move. At the same time, trading above 11,460, it can continue or resume with the upward move also. The MACD, the directional movement is still bearish. The stochastic is overbought here. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It is looking upwards. It is willing to enter into overbought levels, or rather to say the green zone. The RSI trading flat. Considering this, do not trade between 400 and 460. Above 460, you can expect 11,500 as the target, and beyond 11,500 you can remain long. for 11,650, 11,710, 11,840 and 12,000 levels. These are going to be certainly a very good resistance zone. At 11,800 levels, we may see a good resistance. On the downside, you can sell there at 11,400. Expect 350, 300, 250, 200 till 200. Very strong support exists below 200. We may see a good drop. So do not trade between 400 and 460. Trade with caution in between 200 and 600 levels, and you have to trade with the trailing stop loss. You have to trade with the stop loss at cost, such that you can preserve your capital and you can take the trades 1,000 times if you are confident and the trade is in your direction. So follow this principle, definitely you can profit. And if you want to learn this strategy of how to trade profitably, how to identify trades, how where to enter, where to exit, you can join my 16th mentorship batch. Starting from 7th of November. The strategy is taught and the methodology provided definitely will help you reap the profits throughout your life. So do this one time investment and definitely you will cherish the investment there. And yes, if you want to just trade as per the signals, you can join my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for details on both, why or either training or trading, and only reach out to the official handles mentioned in the channel and video description. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned over there. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, thousands of points gathered over there last month. In just 4 weeks, we have gathered almost close to 3,000 points on Dow Jones and close to 1,200 points on NASDAQ100. Amazing feat. You can see and check the communities tab and wonderful returns we have seen. So reach out to me for training or trading. Now look at US30. Now look at US30 31 600, definitely a good resistance. I told you beyond 31,400 we may see a good breakout. 31,500, 600 are going to be the resistance level. It has achieved 31,600 and now trying to trade or with a little bit of consolidation, and yet it is still trying to trade bullish here. See, but at the same time one must not forget lower highs are seen, higher lows are seen, and yes, any breakout below 31,400 again will call for more bearishness. 31,300, 200 cannot be denied. At the same time, trading above 31,550, you can buy there again and expect it to rise more. So in between 31,450 and 550, do not take a position. Yes, 31,400 should be a very good support. Below 31,450 and below 31,400, it may again continue with the downward move. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic looking upward. The MACD divergent and bearish here on the early charts. Probably we may see further more drop from here. I'll wait for it to do so. RSI is still looking bullish here, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you'll find, see, forming a flag formation there, lower highs, lower lows, and a greener handle. Yes, if you see it trading beyond 31,550, certainly you can take a buy position there. Expect 31,600, very good resistance, and then beyond that we are looking forward to 31,800, 31,720 and 800 levels at least. So yes, you can buy there at 31,550. Certainly expect more bullishness, and then 31,600 the first target, then 31,720, 840 levels should be seen. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell. I'll wait for it to happen, and hence more bearishness can be seen there. If it does so, RSI trading at the top there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts you can find out the highs are done, the lows are done, trying to consolidate between this, and rather those who want to trade safe. Now look closely at this, what I am trying to say. Yes, 31,550 you can buy there, but then expect that we are looking to a larger resistance at 31,600. Hence you have to trade with caution. Beyond 31,600 it is going to fly high for 31,720, 840 levels. So take your trades accordingly. On the downside, breaking below this zone at 31,450, you can expect more drops. So in between 450 and 550, do not trade. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge here, and the RSI is near to overbought levels, indicating little more bullishness. Now look at the 4-hour charts, couple of retracement candles, higher lows, lower highs. I'll wait for it to break past 31,550, certainly above which more bullishness can be seen. 31,600, 720, 800 levels should be seen, above which. And yes, if it breaks past 31,450, 31,400 is the major support, below which you can expect a good drop for 31,300, 31,200 levels. Yes, you can sell there at 31,450 levels, buy at 31,550 levels. For these 100 points, do not trade. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is extremely bullish. It may start to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is near to highs, and if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts closely, you will find that anyways we have seen a good swing. Higher highs you can find out 31,600, and you can find out 3880 level. So almost, rather I say, 700 points of swing we had seen. If you count 350 points as the pivot, you will find 31250 as the major pivot there. Yes, there is a possibility if it drops below 31450, 400, certainly you can expect 31250 and below levels. The only bearishness is below 31200. If it trades below 31200, it will call for more bearishness. At the same time, if it trades above 31600, certainly you can expect 720, 800 and plus levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic, you can see it's overbought, and the MACD is divergent and bullish, and the RSI is near to highs. Considering this, sell at 450, buy at 550, expect 600 as the next target, 720, 840 are the targets on the upside. In fact, 32,000 cannot be denied if it trades above 31,840 levels. Very strong resistance there at 31,840 levels. On the downside, sell there at 450, but expect 400 as the major support. Below that, 31,300. 250 and 200. Till here it's fine. Below 31,200 it will call for the bears out there. We can expect 31,100, 31,000 and below levels. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trading stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training query. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.